Hello guys, today in this video I will show you how you can easily find a supply and demand zone in a trading chart. First of all, let us understand what is a supply zone and what is a demand zone. So, a demand zone or the accumulation zone is a zone where the smart money or the institutional players or the banks accumulates their long positions. So it is where they will buy more of their long positions. It is the zone that they buy their long positions. So how can we find a demand zone in a chart? So it is the last candle, I would say unmitigated. That means the market hasn't gone down since then. So it is the last down candle before a good up move. Now let's go find a demand zone in a trading view chart. So let's look for a demand zone. So the demand zone is the last down candle before a good up move. Okay, let's just zoom in. Here we can see a good move, and this will be a good demand zone. Let's use the Gann box and mark it up. So we should include the VIX as well. Okay, now let's just move it across the chart. Okay, so now it's in a chart. Now we have marked a good demand zone. So from here probably the price will go up again, euro will increase again maybe, but you should always look into the fundamentals as well. Now let's understand what is a supply zone. So supply zone is just the opposite of the demand zone. Supply zone is also known as the distribution zone. So it is the zone where the smart money, the big players, the banks buys their short positions. How can we find a supply zone in a chart? It is the last up candle before a good down move. Now let's go find a supply zone in this chart. So let's take a look at it here. So this will be a good supply zone over here. Let's mark it. We should include the VIX as well, okay? That's important. Now what I will say a good demand and a supply zone, it will be unmitigated. It means after forming the accumulation zone or the distribution zone or the supply or the demand zone, the market shouldn't touch it again. So here in this demand zone the market came back and touched it, maybe it will go up again. In this supply zone it hasn't come back up again. So after this demand zone here, it may probably come back to this supply zone and then go down again. So this is how the market works. This is how the institutional traders or the big traders look into the market. Hope you found it interesting and useful. If you did, please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you.